Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you can make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two motherboard giants, Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe and ASUS ROG Strix Z790A Gaming Wi-Fi 2. It's time to dive into the world of motherboards and see which one reigns supreme. So grab your popcorn and get ready for some serious tech talk. Alright, let's kick things off with the price. The Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe comes in at a wallet-friendly $229, while the ASUS ROG Strix Z790A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 demands a bit more at $359. Now, I don't know about you, but I like to keep some extra cash in my pocket for those late-night pizza cravings, so point goes to Gigabyte for being budget-friendly. Moving on to socket compatibility. The Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe supports the AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors with its AMD AM5 socket. On the other hand, the ASUS ROG Strix Z790A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is ready for Intel socket LGA1700, supporting Intel Core 13th Gen processors. So whether you're Team AMD or Team Intel, both motherboards have got you covered. Now let's talk about memory support. The Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe is DDR5 compatible, offering 4 DIMMs with AMD Expo and Intel XMP memory module support. Meanwhile, the ASUS ROG Strix Z790A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 provides ample support with 1 PCIe 4.0 M2 slot and 4 PCIe 4.0 M2 slots. Perfect for all your memory needs. It's a tie here, folks. Power design is crucial for any motherboard, and both of these contenders bring their A-game. The Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe boasts a commanding power design with twin 14+2+1 phases and a digital VRM solution. On the other hand, the ASUS ROG Strix Z790A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 offers a robust power solution with a 16+1+2 power design. It's like having a superhero protecting your components. So let's call it a draw in the power department. When it comes to keeping things cool, both motherboards have some impressive features. The Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe sports a cutting-edge thermal design with a 6mm heat pipe, fully covered MOSFET heatsinks, and M.2 thermal guard. Meanwhile, the ASUS ROG Strix Z790A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 takes the heat off with massive heatsinks and high-conductivity thermal pads. It's a close call, but I'll give Gigabyte the edge for their M.2 thermal guard. Next up, let's talk about connectivity. The Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe offers next-gen connectivity with PCIe 5.0, PCIe 5.0 NVMe X4M2, and front and rear USB-C ports. On the other hand, the ASUS ROG Strix Z790A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 provides abundant connectivity with USB 20 gigabits per second, 10 gigabits per second, and 5 gigabits per second ports, as well as a front panel USB connector with PD 3.0 up to 30W. Both motherboards have their strengths, so it's a tie in the connectivity department. Let's not forget about networking. The Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe offers fast networking with 2.5 GB LAN, Wi-Fi 6E, and BT5. Meanwhile, the ASUS ROG Strix Z790A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 keeps you connected with its Wi-Fi capabilities. With Gigabyte's 2.5 GB LAN, you'll be downloading cat videos at lightning speed. So point goes to Gigabyte for their impressive networking features. Now, let's talk about audio. The Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe delivers dynamic audio with its hi-fi audio and high-end audio capacitors. On the other hand, the ASUS ROG Strix Z790A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 offers a rich audio experience as well. Both motherboards will have you jamming to your favorite tunes, so it's a tie in the audio department. Last but not least, let's discuss those extra features that make a motherboard stand out. The Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe comes equipped with fine-tuning features like RGB Fusion, Smart Fan 6, and Q-Flash Plus for easy BIOS updates. The ASUS ROG Strix Z790A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 offers an HDMI 2.1 port and DisplayPort 1.4 for all your visual needs. It's a tough call, but I'll give Gigabyte the win for their Q-Flash Plus feature. The Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe and the ASUS ROG Strix Z790A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 have received positive reviews from customers. Reviewers praise the Gigabyte motherboard for its value for the price, good BIOS, impressive power and thermal design, and convenient features like RGB Fusion and Q-Flash Plus. On the other hand, the ASUS Motherboard is highly recommended for its audio quality, abundant connectivity options, and visual capabilities with HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4. Ultimately, it comes down to personal preferences and needs. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite Axe and the ASUS ROG Strix Z790A Gaming Wi-Fi 2 in various categories, and both motherboards have shown their strengths. In the end, it all comes down to your personal preferences and needs, so be sure to check out the links in the description below to get more information on these products. Remember, smart shoppers, always do your research before making a purchase. Stay tuned for more comparisons and reviews on Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, happy shopping!